Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Today we have Mr Ferguson, and he's very upset. He must say a bag of things, he want to express some feelings. This viral thing has gotten way out of control. People are just upset. And we're just here to talk to Mr Ferguson, and we just want to explain himself. So Mr Ferguson, the camera is yours. Say what you want to say.
Me's a proud Jamaican, yeah? Nobody can tell me otherwise. But I don't like the ungrateful things that I'm going with sometimes. I'll tell you what I'm going with. You understand? Because it hurt me. It hurt me inside for no sake. Me get a chance. Me get a visa. Me come, me work hard, Me don't want to go up on corner go do things I'm enough to do, Cause when you get deported, them same one say, you run go foreign, go do what you enough to do and get sent back. But the pressure with them come with, the pressure, them chest too high. Come down little bit. Understand?
Yeah.
Me send barrel. Me send barrel to my brother. I know him alone. A couple other people in there. So if I did him alone, would I go hard. But enough people want it. Me understand everybody when you pack barrel and your family. You have to put something in there for everybody, though. So me put something in there for everybody. Alright. Hold on, let me tell you. The problem, listen to me. The problem is this. Alright, phone size, fury size, it different. Sometimes it me send me cousin him one pants and the pants no fit, The pants no fit. One pants no fit, And me here say him say a bag of thing into this and say that I no want it and him cut it up and this turn it in a short and it still no fit because if you cut pants and the pants foot you cut, do not know with the waist. So tell me, you couldn't go take it in. Look how much tailor there you had. Me here say I said this and a bag of things. Let me tell you something now. The barrel and my money pocket. The barrel and my money me use send it. The barrel and my money me use and send it for clear it. And everything we in there, I feel me money. Nobody no give me a 1 red cent for send it come. Go no, I help me pocket. Me try.
So wait.
Hold on, let me talk. The only thing me want from everybody when me send the barrel for is a thank you.
But hold on.
Them show me some kind of appreciation. Nobody not say nothing. Everybody are complain about the Campbell soup and the rice is not like Philly rice. Hear me? Yeah, you no get a visa or wait. Me no know how long that I go take. And come over here and go find work. Me no know how long that I go take neither. And guess what? When you no buy things, put it in a barrel. You know what? Send back me barrel. Send back me barrel with everything in there. Because you know ungrateful. When people are work hard, you think say just easy so. It do easy. It do easy at all. Me, when hungry I bite. But when hungry I bite me go in my cabinet and me not have no food. And go drink the Campbell soup. So your chest too high, come down little bit. Me no have no food stamp. Them turn me down how much time me try. And them say if them me try again, them a go lock me up because them know me say me not supposed to try, but me a try anyway. Me a try get some free food so me can buy decent food because the money not so enough, it not so high, it down a so little bit because of the type of work where me have. Remember me have to help myself and then me have to help me understand. Say it hard down there, but it's hard.
Hold on.
Just listen to me now. Stop talk. Me want them know what really I go on. Because you no come on internet, you not tell them the specifics, you not tell them the real thing. Listen, me have rent too. Me live somewhere. Me pay bills. Me pay tax. Me pay cable. Me pay phone. And them look $20 where every little each and one cousin asks for a week. It add up. If a $500 that a week. 1 week. And not for mention, me have a look one car and me a drive. Me have to pay car insurance, me have to pay gas, and me have to pay for maintain it. It add up. You know want big things, come down little bit. And another one of my little cousin say, he want iPad. What me think? iPad? One iPad on my paycheck and more. So, me fi Listen, let me tell you something. Me nah no picnic, me they are foreign, me nah no picnic. So you see when me file tax, me no get back nothing. Me try to borrow people picnic, but them no in that. No, because you tell people about barrel sending and barrel this. But you now explain to them the real way how things have to go on. Them have to be more appreciative and grateful. Because when me send you something, if it's not what you want, you don't have to get upset. You don't have to go on no way. You understand? Them things, they not cheap. No for them chest too high. Them need to calm down little bit. Come on now, man. I want to think foreign is a better rose. Jesus, I'm tired of this.
And there you have it, folks. Mr. Ferguson, very upset, very furious. All he wants is just appreciation
them
and
need
a thank
to calm
you.
down
So whenever
bit.
you get something from somebody who works so hard, just say thanks, even if it is the wrong size, wrong
them
food,
need to calm down
whatever, just say thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to Box TV, War Professa's channel, for more videos, more topics, and everything. Box, 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 don't move your face, blah, 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 blah. I'm done with this interview.
Them need to calm down little bit.